Hey everyone. We have a new collaborator. He will teach you how to turn your videos into a 3D Pixar-style animation for free.
Today, I'll show you a simple trick
Sure.
to do just that, unlimited and without spending a dime.
Teach me to ride like a man.
And chew tobacco like a man.
Spit like a man.
What, didn't teach you that in finishing school?
No.
So, let's get started. Step 1. Setting up a VPN. First, open your browser and search for Chrome extensions. Click on the first result, then search for VPN. Choose any free VPN and add it to your browser. Mobile users can do the same on their browser or use a VPN app. Once installed, activate your VPN and connect to any country. If you're outside Asia, you might not even need a VPN, so try without it first. Step 2. Getting a temporary email. Now, open a new tab and search for temp mail. Click on tempmilo.com. It might ask you to solve a captcha. Just do that, and you'll get a temporary email address. Keep this tab open. Step 3. Signing up on Lens Go AI. In a new tab, search for Lens Go AI and open the first website. On the homepage, click Login, then choose Continue with Email. Copy the email from tempmilo.com and paste it into the email field. Set a password you can remember and click Sign Up. On the next page, click Send OTP. Now, go back to tempmilo.com, refresh the page, and find the email they sent. Copy the OTP code, paste it into Lens Go AI, and hit Sign Up. This process will give you 100 free credits. If you want more credits, repeat this process using a new temp email. Step 4. Uploading and converting your video. Now, let's transform your video into a Pixar-style animation. Click on Video Style Transfer in Lens Go AI. Upload your first video. Make sure it's no longer than 5 seconds. If your video is longer, split it into 5-second parts using any video editor. In the prompt box, type a 3D cartoon Pixar-style. For the style, select Pixar. Click Generate Video and wait a few minutes. Once it's done, check the preview. If you like it, click Download. If not, hit Regenerate to try again. Repeat this process for each video clip. Step 5. Merging your clips. Now that all your clips are downloaded, open your favorite video editor and join them back together in order. You can use any free editor like CapCut, DaVinci Resolve, VN Editor. Once everything is stitched together, your full Pixar-style animation is ready. If you love this tutorial, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. This motivates me to bring more awesome content for you. If you want even better results, Lens Go AI also offers a premium plan starting at just $6 per month, which is not too expensive if you want high-quality animations without limits. And here is our final result.
Can you show
Let
me?
me know what
Sure.
you think in the
If you like.
comments. Don't forget to subscribe.
Teach me to ride like a man.
See
Chew
you in the
tobacco like
next
a man.
one.
Spit like a man.
What, didn't teach you that in finishing school?
No.